I want to welcome everybody back to the channel. Today we're going to install this eufy Security 2C camera, and this is just one extra camera that I want to add to my system. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this. Now in the pack it did come with this mount. It came with the camera, of course. So I'm going to show you guys how to mount that mount. And it came with a little bit of hardware. So it's just 3 screws and 3 anchors, and then it has a charging cable. Overall, I think it was a pretty easy install. So you just need a screw gun and you'll be good to go. So first thing, we're going to take off some of this plastic protection that we have around the camera here. And once we get that off, we'll be able to access the threaded screw hole in the back of the camera, because this just completely blocks that hole. So we'll remove this first. And I like the way they really package this thing and protect it. It just saves it from scuffs and scratches. Next, we'll grab our hardware. And in this case, I'm just going to use the screws to go directly into my siding. If you are anchoring this into sheetrock, you can drill a hole, put the anchors in, and then use the screws. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to go into the app, and you're going to want to pair your camera to this HomeBase here before you install the camera. So this HomeBase is going to communicate with the camera, and it needs to be within 1 meter of the camera.
Until you hear the beep.
So you're going to follow the instructions on the app. Then you're going to hold down this sync button, and you're going to wait for the next step.
Ready to add device.
All right, so it's ready to add the device now to the HomeBase, and it makes this weird sound. And you're just going to want to wait until this camera is recognized.
Device was added successfully.
And there you go. The device was accepted and it was added into my list. And now you're good to go with the install. Now we're going to take this sticker off here in the front. I'm going to head over to the ladder, and I'm going to climb up to where I want to mount my camera. But before I do that, I just want to show you guys the mount. So this opens up here, and it has a little swivel ball in it that allows you to move it around, and you got 2 screw holes in there. So you'll take this thing apart, so you're only left with this cap, and you want to screw that in directly into the siding. Now screwing this directly into siding is okay. The camera is very light. It hardly has any kind of weight to it, so you can really get away with screwing it directly into siding. So you want to put another screw in there. Make sure you put both screws in. And you really want to think about where you want to mount it before you go and do anything, because you really want to get the coverage that you're really looking for. So you got to think about the angle before you mount this. All right, so here we've got the other parts to this mount. We got this ball piece here. What you want to do is drop it in there, and that allows you to swivel around. And then you got this other piece that goes into the flat piece. So you want to put it in like that, and then you want to couple it with that ball piece in there, and you're going to screw this in there until it gets tighter. You just want to do hand tight. You don't want to go too crazy here. And there is a threaded piece that will allow us to screw the camera on. Now if you look in the back of the camera, you'll see where it's going to be threaded into. So you'll just take the camera and you'll carefully turn it and then make sure that the threading is holding on there. After you finish setting up your camera, you can turn it to the direction that you need it to turn. And that's it. You're done with the install. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.